Hi, I'm Stephanie Derderian with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, here to show you this beautiful new listing that I have at 910 South Michigan Avenue, Unit 904. We're having an open house this Sunday, by the way, August 25th, from 12 till 2. Wait till you see this view. Right now you're looking out at Grant Park with Buckingham Fountain, the harbors, and of course Navy Pier, where you'll get to see the fireworks twice a week. There's a beautiful city view also because we're in a corner unit. And on this side, we've got the museum campus. And again, the rest of Grant Park, you're looking at the aquarium out there with the observatory. And now, of course, wonderful Lake Michigan, all the boats, the harbors, and really a panoramic view from Navy Pier to Soldier Field, and you will never get tired of this view. The home, is a 2-bed, 2-bath, and you can come, as I said before, this Sunday at the open house, August 25th from 12 till 2, to see the rest of this beautiful home.